Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video yesterday doing this outline for a t-shirt person, and I failed to, I guess, read his email correctly. He was actually having trouble with this. This is the original file, and it couldn't contour. Well, when you click on it, there's your clue right here. It's a paragraph text. It tells you right down here, paragraph text. It even tells you the font. You cannot contour a paragraph text. You can see it's all grayed out. So you could either retype it or take it and go to text and convert it to an artistic text. And as soon as I do this, look over the right and see the contour alignment becomes black. And so you could contour it. So the easiest way, and I think he's doing black with a white contour, let's left click, right click, and then let's contour to the outside in black, just 1 degree. Now let's take our Smart Fill tool and fill in our black. And now let's take our contour tool and fill in white. And I think it got both those at one time and both those at one time. Now, just to prove that it worked, let's take a rectangle, make it black, go up to Object and Order, Backup Page. Now it's lost some of the white or some of the detail inside. So let's back up here. Let's just take our black box away for a second. I did not fill in that. And really that's probably too small to contour, but I didn't fill in that. So now let's take this back. And there you go. You have a white contour line around a black letter on a black t-shirt, I'm guessing. Or he might want it different colors. But anyway, the problem was it was in paragraph text. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.